Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for every ceiling fan owner. The HFYHWT 20PC Ceiling Fan Balancing Kit, often hailed as the best fan balancing kit for 5 blades. If you've ever experienced wobbling or noisy fan blades, this product might just be the solution you need. Let's take a closer look at what this kit offers. The HFYHWT Balancing Kit includes 5 sets of high-calibration fan blade balance kits, which comprise 5 resilient fan balance clips and 15 self-adhesive 3G weights. This generous package ensures that you have enough supplies to keep your ceiling fans in top condition, no matter how many you have in your home. The first step in using this kit is to identify the problem area of your fan blades. Thanks to the included balance clips, you can easily locate where the imbalance lies. Once you pinpoint the wobble, simply apply the self-adhesive weights in the areas needed. The weights adhere strongly, so you can trust they won't fall off, ensuring a long-lasting fix for your fan's balance issues. One of the standout features of this product is its ease of use. The HFYHWT kit comes with a user-friendly manual, guiding you through the process step by step. Even if you're not particularly handy, following these instructions will lead you to professional results. Safety is a significant concern when it comes to ceiling fans. A well-balanced fan not only reduces wobbling and creaking during high-speed operation but also prolongs the life of the motor. By using this balancing kit properly, you can ensure your ceiling fan operates smoothly and safely, giving you peace of mind. Versatility is another highlight of this ceiling fan balancing kit. It's designed to be universally compatible with most ceiling fans, making it a versatile solution for all your ceiling fan problems. Whether you have a modern or classic fan design, this kit will work seamlessly to correct any imbalances. In summary, the HFYHWT 20PC Ceiling Fan Balancing Kit is an essential tool for any ceiling fan owner. With professional results achievable right at home, easy-to-follow instructions, and a reliable design, this kit makes maintaining your fans simple and effective. If you're tired of that annoying wobble and the noise that comes with it, consider investing in this fan balancing kit. It's a small price to pay for the comfort and tranquility of a smoothly running ceiling fan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.